With this crochet tutorial, you will learn to crochet simple ruffled round motif. For work, I will be using a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. To begin the work by making a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch of the foundation chain. The foundation ring is ready. Let's start round 1. For this, make a chain, then single crochet 12 into the foundation ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Well done. To complete this round, skip the chain at the beginning of this round, insert the hook into the top of the first single crochet by making a slip stitch. Round 1 is ready. We can begin the next round. It will be a round of popcorn stitches. Begin round 2 by making chain 3. Make double crochet 6 into the stitch of the previous round that we start work into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then pull up the working yarn. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Beautiful 3D popcorn is ready. Continue the round. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then skip the first stitch of the previous round. Make double crochet 7 into the second stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one. Again, pull up the working yarn, insert the hook into the top of the first double crochet, take the working yarn, pull it through. Our popcorn is ready. Again, a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make again popcorn, then 5 chains, and so on. Keep this way till the end of the round. I just chained the last one. To complete this round, insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Round 2 is made. We got 3D popcorns in this round. Let's start round 3. For this, make a chain to bring up the yarn. Then single crochet 7 into the chain space of the previous round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue single crochet 7 into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep working in this way till the end of the round. After we have just made a round of single crochet stitches, where I finished this round, and now skip the first chain stitch and insert the hook in the top of the first single crochet, but in this case I insert the hook into the front top loop of this single crochet, like this. Please let's look, you can see carefully, and make a slip stitch, like this. A back loop of this single crochet is free. Let's start round 4. For this, make a chain. I'm going to work with single crochet stitches. I will be making single crochet into each front top loop of this stitch of the previous round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I remind you to make single crochet into each front loop of the stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of the round. We made around single crochet stitches into each front loop of the stitch. To complete this round, insert the hook into the first chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. I remind you we made single crochet stitches into each front loop of the stitch. We can see at the back side of our work that all back loops of the stitch are free. I'm going to work with these back loops of the stitch of the round 3. Make a chain, find our first back loop. Here it is the first back loop of the stitch of round 3. And make single crochet in this back loop and chain 3 for the chain space. Then skip the first back loop and make single crochet into the second back loop. Again chain 3. Skip the first back loop and make single crochet into the second back loop. Repeat chain 3. Skip the first back loop and make single crochet into the second. Keep working in this way till the end of the round. I remind you should work with all back loops in this round. After we made the last chain space, insert the hook into the top of the single crochet in this round and make a slip stitch. The round is ready. Let's start the next round. Insert the hook into the chain space by making a slip stitch. Then chain 4 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chain more and make treble crochet into the first chain space. Then a chain. Continue treble crochet into the same chain space. Chain and yarn over 2 times for treble and make treble crochet into the same chain space. And chain. Again yarn over 2 times for treble crochet and a chain. We have just made treble crochet 4 into the chain space. Continue. Treble crochet into the next chain space. And chain. It should be treble crochet 5. The first is done. You need to make 4 more. The second and chain, the third and chain, the fourth and make a chain, and the last one and chain. Do the same till the end of the round. To complete this round, after we made the last chain, insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch at the beginning of this round. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make a slip stitch into this chain stitch. The round is done. You can cut off the yarn. The crochet simple ruffled round motif is made. This motif you can use as decoration for your clothes or your hat. This is a reverse side. It is front side of the motif. Thanks for watching.